Hi, welcome to this 10-minute Metta meditation for loving kindness. Make sure you're really comfortable before we get started. And now close your eyes. Now invite your gaze to soften and deepen your breath, noticing the natural rhythm of your breath. If it feels a little shallow or hurried, are you able to make space to slow it down and to deepen it? To give more of your attention to your breath, letting it carry you. And arrive into your body and notice how that feels today. And release any tension you might be holding physically as best you can, not worrying if some of that remains. Knowing that the most important thing here is allowing yourself the space to let go. And now we bring the attention in towards the heart and we look to find something similar, that sense of intentional openness, that softness. If there is any tightness around the heart, breathe into it. As you inhale, imagine the breath washing through the heart, picking up any tightness it might be holding. And as you breathe out, you can let go of that or make space to release whatever it is you do not need. And we look to find love in our hearts at this moment in time. Cultivate a sense of appreciation in relation to you. Find affirmation. Maybe acknowledge things about yourself you find it easy to love. And hone in on that. Let that feeling expand and grow and deepen. And as it does, the critical feelings within your heart and the negative voices that you hold in relation to yourself begin to quieten. And rather than being at the forefront of your mind, of your attention, we bring forwards and we prioritize those loving voices, those that are kind and compassionate in relation to ourselves. Know that you deserve this love, this acceptance. And as you find that appreciation, think about your heart expanding with love. Find that feeling. Use your imagination to help it grow bigger. Let it expand. And now start to think about sharing that love, expanding your capacity to love by sending it out to someone or something else. Think about sharing that loving feeling, that acceptance, that affirmation with someone that you care about deeply. And draw them to mind now. Maybe an image or an essence, even a smell, or the memory of a photograph And as you breathe in, you send that breath in to that loving space within your heart. And as you breathe out, you imagine just sending out that love from your heart to whoever or whatever it is you care about deeply. And we breathe in again to return to that place of love within ourselves, to feed into it, to let the heart open more. And then as you breathe out, you shine out that love, that acceptance, that affirmation to someone outside of you or something that you care about. And then we settle, observing perhaps that the heart feels a little more open simply through us sharing love with someone or something external. Take a couple of breaths. And now I invite you to call to mind someone or something you perhaps feel ambivalent about. This might be an acquaintance, someone in your life that you do not know well. Maybe someone that you've passed, or that you see day to day within your routine. And someone that you do not hold strong feelings for in either way. And we call this person or this aspect of our world, our experience to mind. And as you breathe in, you cultivate love in your heart. You send the breath there. You let it deepen. And as you breathe out, you imagine channeling that love from your heart out to whoever or to whatever you want to give it to right now. Breathe in deeply. Let that love grow. And as you exhale, send it out, shine it out to someone or something else. And then settle, maybe noticing that your capacity for love has grown once again. Your heart maybe feels a little bit bigger as you work into that muscle. And now call to mind someone or something you struggle to hold love for. Maybe someone you actively dislike, someone that's hurt you. Maybe some aspect of your world that feels challenging. And we return to our own hearts and that place of love within, and we feel the power of that. And as you inhale, you send your breath in to that space within your heart, that loving space. And you breathe out to shine that out to whatever or whoever it is you struggle to love. Then you breathe in again to deepen that space for love in your heart, to fill it. And exhale to send love out to someone or something you struggle to give love to. And you settle. And now you just think about cultivating more and more love within your heart with every passing moment. And as you cultivate that love within you, you imagine shining it out to the whole world. And most importantly, you shine it out into your own body, into yourself. So as we give love to everything and everyone external to us, at the same time we feed into the love that we hold for ourselves. We expand our own capacity for love. And sit with that now. Focus on that openness of your heart. You can stay here for as long as you like with that feeling. And you can return to it as often as you need. In these final moments of our practice together, I invite you to bring your hands to rest over your heart, simply breathing into that space beneath them, feeling for that love that has grown within you during these short 10 minutes. Let that love travel into your hands, through the arms and back into your own body now. Let it cycle through you and tell yourself, I am love. Deep breath in to embrace that love and get ready for whatever's next in your day. Exhale to blink open your eyes if you're ready to return. Thank you so much for setting aside this time for you.